welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created my new 360 lace frontal wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let me first just show you guys what hair that I'm going to be using. This time I'm using some hair from Mane Couturier, and I don't know if I pronounced it right, but I'm gonna leave it right here on the screen for you and also down in the description bar. So I have 3 bundles of their Brazilian body wave in inches 18, 20, and 20, and I also have their new 360 lace frontal in 16 inches. So now I'm just going to show you guys how everything came packaged and how the bundles look and the frontal look when I first received it. And as you can see, it's very, very healthy looking. Like, this hair is very soft and it's just gorgeous, you guys. Like, I'm not going to even lie, okay? So this is how the 360 look, and I'm just showing you guys how it look in the inside. And as you can see, this 360 have a adjustable cap. So that's a plus, okay? So this is how the back of the 360 look like, and this is how the side of the 360 look like. So I'm just giving you guys, you know, a close-up. Okay, so let's go move on to making the unit, and I'm using a dome cap from my local beauty supply store. Okay, so now I'm just taking my 360 and placing it on top of my dome cap. Now I'm going to take my 360 and, you know, just pull it a little bit past the dome cap in the front, and I'm going to pin it down, and then I just moved towards the back and I did the exact same thing. Next, I'm going to attach my 360 to the dome cap, and all I'm doing is taking the extra lace that's at the top and I'm just sewing it down to my dome cap, you know, so when I'm sewing on the bundles, I don't have to worry about my lace frontal moving or anything like that. So after that's done, now it's time for me to add in the bundles. I'm starting with my longest inch, and I'm going to double all the bundles so that I can fit as much hair, you know, as possible in the middle. So I'm just going to start sewing side to side, and I'm going to be using the flip over method so I won't have to cut my tracks, you know. Absolutely love this 360. Like, it is very, very easy. I thought it was gonna be so hard or whatever, but girl, please, I'd rather a 360 than a regular lace frontal, to tell you the truth. It's so fast. Like, I made this unit so fast, okay? Once I reached the front of the frontal, I did start singling my weft so that it would lay flat in the front. So yeah. This is how much hair that I had left that I could not fit in, and this is how the wig looked when I completed it. So now what I'm going to do is flip the unit inside out. Then I'm going to cut the extra fabric that's underneath. Got through cutting the extra fabric, I did went ahead and added 2 combs in the back area, and then after that I bleached the knots on my frontal using the L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder in 40 developer. And I also bleached like the frontal, and I did like highlights throughout the back because I wanted to lighten the hair and, you know, just see how well the hair take to color. And then after that, I used the Revlon Color Silk in a color Deep Burgundy. I used my Got To Be Glue styling gel to hold the frontal in place. And then after that, I used the, girl, this is where it went wrong at. I used some clear styling gel from the dollar store to, you know, like lay down the baby hair in the front. Because like when I first installed this, I didn't really want baby hair. I wanted like a sleek look. And I'm going to leave a picture so you guys can see. Well, after, you know, a couple of days, I used some more styling gel on top of it. Girl, I woke up the next day, honey. I didn't even notice until after the video that I had like white residue on my edges or whatever from the styling gel, girl. So you're going to see like some white flakes or whatever. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that it's from the styling gel and it was not like that before, okay? This is the final look. I absolutely love this hair. This 360 is the bomb, honey, okay? The bomb. You can do so much with this 360 frontal. Also, check out this company because let me tell you, this hair is bomb.com, honey. Yeah, I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description bar. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Beauty's World. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to lay down the back of your wig. I know a lot of people do these videos and they only show you the front. I wanted to be one of the first to show you how to do the back.